If you've ever printed a long spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc and wanted the same header row to appear at the top of every printed page, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to repeat rows on printed pages in LibreOffice Calc step by step, so your printed sheets are easier to read and look much more professional. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice. If you already have your spreadsheet file ready, go ahead and open that. If not, you can start from the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet to make a new sheet. Once your spreadsheet is open, take a moment to find the row you want to repeat on every printed page. This is usually your header row, like column names or labels that help the printed pages make sense when you move from page 1 to page 2. Now that your sheet is open, go to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down menu, look for Print Ranges. This is where LibreOffice lets you control what gets printed and how the printed pages are laid out. When the Print Ranges menu opens, click Edit. This will open the print range settings where you can define rows and columns that should repeat during printing. In the window that appears, find the section labeled Rows to Repeat. This is the key setting you need. Click inside that field, then select the row or rows you want to repeat at the top of each printed page. For example, if your headings are in row 1, choose that row so it shows up on every page. If your table has multiple header rows, you can select more than one row, depending on how your sheet is structured. Once you've selected the row or rows you want repeated, take a quick look to make sure everything is correct. This step is important because if you pick the wrong row, your printed pages may not display the information the way you want. After confirming the selection, click OK to save the print range settings. That's it. The row you selected will now repeat at the top of every printed page when you print your spreadsheet. This is especially useful for large reports, lists, inventories, schedules, and any spreadsheet that spans multiple pages. It helps keep your printed document readable and makes it much easier for other people to understand the data without constantly flipping back to the first page. If you want to double-check your setup before printing, you can also use Print Preview to make sure the repeated row appears correctly. That way, if anything looks off, you can go back into Format, Print Ranges, and Edit to adjust it for printing the final copy. And that's how to repeat rows on printed pages in LibreOffice Calc. It's a simple setting, but it makes a huge difference when printing long spreadsheets. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.